So today we are going to start with the topic real numbers. So what are real numbers? Real numbers are numbers which include both rational and irrational number. Now under rational number comes integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So what are integers? Integers are those which have both positive numbers and negative numbers. For example, plus 2, minus 2. Coming to whole numbers are those which are starting from 0 up to infinity, and then comes natural numbers are those which starts from 1 and goes up to infinity. Now we will learn about rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? A number is in the form of p by q where q is not equals to 0 is called a rational number. For suppose examples are 1 by 2. Here 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator, and 2 is not equals to 0 means q is not equals to 0, so here q is 2, so 2 is equals to 0 and it is called a rational number. Many examples are there. For suppose here I have given examples as minus 99, minus 1 whole 1 by 2, root 4. These all are rational numbers. You may be wondering how root 4 is a rational number. Well, it's a rational number because if we will square root 4, answer will be 2, and 2 by 1 is a rational number. Coming to irrational numbers are numbers where it is not be written in the form of p by q, means the numbers will not be in 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 6 in these forms, and q will be not there, so it will not be equals to 0, and its decimal representation is non-terminating and non-repeating, which now you don't know, but I'll tell you in the video next one. Examples can be root 2, root 7, pi. I hope you know the value of pi. The value of pi is either 3.14 or 22 by 7. If we will divide 22 by 7, the answer will come in points and it will go on. Okay, so the numbers which are coming in points and it goes on never having stop are known as non-terminating numbers, but it is having two sections also. They are non-terminating repeating and non-terminating non-repeating. Root 2, root 7, you can't make out any square out of these two. So these are irrational numbers. Now I'll make you understand those two sections. Decimals are of two types, terminating and non-terminating. Terminating decimals are like which is having an end, like 11 by 2, it is having an end, okay? Like 5.5, it will not go anymore. 5.5 is the end number and it is known as a terminating decimal. Coming to non-terminating decimal, what are non-terminating decimal? That I'll tell you in the next video. It is having two sections. Let's see. Non-terminating recurring decimal and non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal or repeating decimal is a rational number, but non-terminating non-repeating decimal is an irrational number. So what can be the examples of non-terminating repeating decimal? Examples like 2.333333. So you can see the numbers are repeated, okay, 1 by 1, 33333. Okay, non-terminating non-repeating decimals can be like 7.439372. okay, so you can find that after decimal the numbers which are coming that are not same, they are totally different from each other, right? Isn't it? As we have seen in case of non-terminating repeating decimal, the number after decimal the numbers are repeating, okay, but in case of non-terminating non-repeating, the numbers after decimal they are not repeating, they are different. So that is the difference between terminating non-terminating recurring and non-terminating non-recurring. I hope you're clear with the whole topic. If you like the video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.